Students, welcome to the new session of our same first lesson of 7th standard geometrical constructions. Today we are going to begin with practice set 3. I have already written the first and the second question there. Draw triangles with the measures given below. First one, in triangle MAT, length of MA is equal to 5.2 centimeter. Measure of angle A is equal to 80 degree. Now we are having an angle, so we will need the protractor for drawing our angle. Length of AT is equal to 6 centimeter. Now when we are having an angle, the best place for me to draw an angle is this position, because if I draw an angle here, making 80 degree here is very easy. Making 80 degree here is going to be slightly difficult, and here it's very difficult. So this is the best place where I can place my 80 degree angle. So I will be writing A here in my rough diagram, and remaining M and T I will adjust in the other two places. This position is done. MA 5.2 centimeter and AT 6 centimeter. I can place M here and T here. MA 5.2 and AT 6 centimeter. So I will make a base of 6 centimeter, and from A I will be drawing an angle of 80 degree. So let us begin, and make sure that you are having your textbook, notebook and all the geometrical instruments with you, so there is no confusion, so there is no interruption in your studies. Let's begin. Six centimeter 80 degree angle from A. This point and the line, your line will be slightly above your plastic. Just see that straight line, and 0 is inside, so I am going to see the inside marking. And as it is 80 degree is an acute angle. Point on point, line on line, 80. This is 80 degree. Now we need 5.2 centimeter this way. Okay. From here 5.2 centimeter. Already I have got my point. I don't need another arc. This I will join to this one, and my triangle will be complete. See students, observe, this is a slightly different construction than what we did in the last video, because angle was not there in that. In this we are having angle. This will be M, 5.2 centimeter, join MT and complete the triangle. Done. Now let us begin with second one. In triangle NTS, measure of angle T, I have not written the name, I have just drawn the rough diagram, because first I will fix the position of my angle. Measure of angle T 40, length of NT is equal to L, length of TS is equal to 5 centimeter. Both sides, both lengths are equal. First we'll fix T. I'll place T here. Now remaining I can adjust. NT and S up then. NT, TS. Both are 5 centimeter. So my rough diagram is done. With the same, I will be drawing my fair diagram. 5 centimeter as the base. I'll draw angle now. 40-degree angle. This is 40. Now I need to cut 5 centimeter. See, this is 5. So I need to cut 5 here. This is 5. So I will cut 5 centimeter on that. This is 5 only. On scale also it is 5. Got my arc S and will join and complete a triangle. This is our complete triangle, first one and second one. Let's continue with question number 3 and 4 now. Third one, in triangle FUN, length of FU is equal to 5 centimeter, length of UN is equal to 4.6 centimeter and measure of angle U is equal to 110. 110 is an obtuse angle. So in my rough diagram also I have drawn an obtuse angle. It's not necessary but it helps. And I have given the perfect place to my angle, that is the place which is the most convenient and easy for me. So U 110. Now FU is 5 and UN (4.6 centimeter). So that is my triangle. Will draw a fair diagram with the help of same. UF 5 centimeter. I'll draw slightly this side. So my angle, if my angle extends on other side, then also there is no problem. So I'll draw slightly here. That's 5 centimeter. Now I'll draw 110 degree. I've already given enough place this side. Point on point, line on line. Check where is your 0 degree. It should look like an obtuse angle. That's my 110. Now on this I will be cutting 4.6 centimeter according to my rough diagram. We'll use a compass for that. Okay. From here. That's my arc. 4.6 centimeter, and will join and complete the triangle. This is our triangle. We've written all the measures, so it is complete. Now let us move on to the next one, fourth one. In triangle PRS, length of RS 5.5, length of RP 4.2, measure of angle R 90 degree. This is 90 degree, so I have made a triangle of 90 degree in my rough diagram also, so it will help me. This is going to be my R 90 degree. Now RP 4.2 given there, RS see students, even if you interchange these alphabets there is no problem, but don't change the position of the angle, at least in the beginning. So we'll draw the fair diagram. First we'll finish with the base. .2 centimeter RP. Now we'll draw 90 degree angle. Now we'll have to cut 5.5 on this 90 degree because this is 5.5. So this is going to be 5.5. Got? We have to extend the line. And we'll join. This is S 5.5. Join it and complete the triangle. It's done. Here we finish with our practice set 3, and you will complete all this work in your notebook very neatly. Use a sharp pencil for making your constructions, and we will continue with practice set 4 in the next session. Thank you for watching.